One of the reasons why I advocate for financial freedom and financial independence, it's the fact that money give you options. Okay, I'll tell you a story. You see, back in 2004, I was a student at Vets University. Many people don't know that. I dropped out. Things were hectic. So one of the things that I did on the following year in 2005, I think the late in December, somewhere in December, I went to the employer, the previous employer where my mother was working for. My mother was a domestic worker. So I went to them, after my mother died and stuff, and I was like, I went there to tell them my story, what happened at varsity, and how emotionally I was trained, and in which it leads into me, dropping out at varsity. One of the things that I saw there is the power of money and its ability in life. And one of the things that I saw there was the fact that money is able to give you option. If you don't have money, make sure you have the right connections, the right people on your side. I mean, so I went there and told this white lady that, I drop out at varsity, I'm just sitting at home, I don't know what to do. She said to me, so tell me, where do you wanna work? Do you want to work in the restaurant? Do you want to work in the coffee shop? Do you want to work as an electrician? I mean, do you want to work at the supermarket? All I had to do was just have to choose, and then I chose electrical. Without any hesitation, she picked up the phone, called someone, and was like, "Listen, I have a son here who desperately need a job. Please help him. Please create something for him." After that call, we drove the lady to the guy, another white guy. That guy just shake my hand and said, "Welcome to construction. You're gonna learn a lot here." And that's it. No interview, no CV, no connection, no nothing. For me, that symbolized freedom. That symbolized options. So one of the reason why, as an entrepreneur, one of the reason why I'm doing the content on financial freedom, and personal finance, is the fact that we are advocating for options and freedom. So the reason why you should be rich, the reason why you should strive to be wealthy, is the fact that freedom or financial freedom comes with so many options. That's one of the reasons why I want you to be rich. Okay, guys, if you love this video, you found value in this video, please like, share, comment, and then I should see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.